Okay, we have our puff pastry sheet that we let thaw, and we're just opening that up. It has all that flour that we need, kind of just straightening it out onto our cutting board. And then I'm gonna come in with my string cheese, and I have 4 of them already open, and we're gonna place one on each edge of our puff pastry. I absolutely love this super easy lunch that anyone can recreate. And once we have our string cheese there, we are going to roll our edges with that string cheese in there, kind of pull and roll. Grab a toothpick to hold that in place on both sides of our cheese. That looks great. And then we're gonna continue doing that with every side of our puff pastry, super quick. Now that that's complete, we're gonna come in with our pizza style pizza sauce, and we're just gonna add a little bit in there. And that should be plenty. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our brush and then just kind of get that from edge to edge inside of our puff pastry. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be such a fun Italian style lunch that everyone will love. Your kids can help you make it. Everyone can make their own individual, but this is gonna serve about 2 people. Perfect. Now we're gonna come in with our mozzarella cheese, and then we have our cheese grater. We're gonna get as close as we can to our puff pastry, and we're going to shred our mozzarella. We don't need too much of it, probably just about 1/4 of this block. Okay, I think that's about enough, and then we're gonna dump that right in there. Beautiful. Get that extra cheese on the side on there, because you wanna make sure we have all the cheese. We have the string cheese in the edges, and then now we have this mozzarella on top. Oh my gosh, this is coming together beautifully. Now for some protein, we have some pepperonis, and we're just gonna add a couple of these. We don't need too many, and we're just gonna add that right on top of our cheese, just like so. Then we're gonna start with the veggies. I have some sliced olives that we're gonna sprinkle right there with our pepperoni. I absolutely love olives on pepperoni. I know they're not everyone's favorite, but they are my favorite. And we're kind of just sneaking them where we can. And that looks great. Okay, and you guys know I love my onions, so I'm gonna throw a few of my red onions in there. We don't need too many of them, just a few here and there. But anything you don't like, you can skip. Okay, time for some green bell peppers. I'm so excited. We're kind of just making our own little individual pizza. Yep, you heard that right. And we're making it how we want, the way we want. And then we have that fun kind of edge that we're playing with. And then, of course, you need some mushrooms. I mean, that is the star of the show, extra protein. And this is gonna be delicious. I'm so excited. That looks great. And just for some extra seasoning, I'm gonna add some of my Italian seasoning on top. This is optional, I just think it adds a nice little flavor. And then we're almost done here. I do have 1 egg here because I love to egg wash my puff pastry. And we're just gonna kind of scramble that. And then we are just gonna use this on those edges, but we just need to make sure it gets nice and mixed so that we have the right consistency for our egg wash. Okay, now that we have that mixed, we can just brush, brush, brush. This is gonna help our crust get nice and golden and brown. It's gonna be so delicious. If you've never had a puff pastry pizza before, you are in for a treat. It's so much better than a pizza crust, and it's just as easy to use. All right, that looks great. Okay, it's time to transfer this, and I have my huge spatula to help me out here, and we're just gonna be super quick with it. And place it right on our sheet pan. And then this is finally ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. Ooh, this smells so good. Our stuffed crust supreme puff pastry pizza. Yeah, all right. We have some crushed red pepper, and yeah, you do need to tap the bottle on the side. I know some of you guys don't like that, but that's just who I am. Okay, and then we have a little bit of Parmigiano, and we are going to sprinkle that right on top.
Are you Italian?
No. All right, and then we can transfer it by putting it to the side and then bringing back our large and in charge spatula. 1, 2, 3. Right onto our cutting board. Let's pull out all of those toothpicks that held our string cheese in there, all that stuffed crust in there, and then this baby is ready. Time to cut this. So So some people could eat this entire thing just to themselves, but this is a 2-person serving for me. So I'm gonna cut it into 4 slices. Oh, so flaky and delicious. It's gonna be so good. All right, let's see if we can see that. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh,
yum.
This is gonna be so good.
Good.
All right, big bite of the stuffed crust. It's delicious.